Over here, behind the glass, on the left leg of the big silver teapot.
You're a fly.
Nice to meet you.
I'm a lizard. Right here on the teapot's right leg. Hi.
Hello there.
Did you know that Estonia's first president, Konstantin Päts, also lived in this palace for a while? His office used to be right here on this level. President Päts was an old man by then and lived here alone. Sometimes his adult son Leo would come to keep him company.
There was no kitchen in the flat, by the way. A chef cooked his meals in the kitchen downstairs, where the cafe is nowadays, and the president ate in the first-floor dining room.
The president had a butler, a chef, a kitchen maid, and a housemaid. There was also a housekeeper, stove heater, porters, and cleaners. The staff bedrooms were up in the attic.
This fancy silver teapot was only used for serving coffee and tea to the especially important guests. You can see the Estonian coats of arms on the silver platter, by the way.
This room was the library, and the bookshelves held over 2,000 books. Look carefully. Can you find keyholes in the lower cupboards?
Don't forget to look up too. Can you tell what those pictures are made of?
It looks like, to me, wood?
Precisely. Different shades of wood, which takes very skilled and time-consuming craftsmanship. The technique is called intarsia. Can you recognize any familiar Italian landmarks?
I can. Over there is Tall Herman Tower. And that's the town hall. And there's Godric Palace, of course. St. Mary's Cathedral. Toompea Castle. St. Olaf's Church.
Now count how many Estonian flags you can see.
1, 2, 3.